552 days on Hang Fin Grid Index at 32%, which is fear. Again, yesterday we had a small pump, so you can imagine fear went up slightly above it. And currently we are trading at 20.6k, which is pretty much the same area which was in the last episode that I made, was like approximately less than 2 months ago. So at that time we had like a small double bottom on the weekly, which was, we had some small pump to the 22k and then immediate sell off to the 19k. 19k is still working for us as extreme support area, which is getting bought up extremely quickly when we're reaching it or trying to have some, you know, breakouts, and it turned out to be a fake out. So yeah, currently trading at 20.6k. On the weekly time frame, it seems like 50 MA and 200 MA is getting closer and closer again, which is not that great, because on a weekly time frame it would technically would be a dead cross, while on a daily time frame, we are about to have a golden cross. If we're gonna go by the same pattern, we're gonna have a golden cross approximately in 1 month. Again, approximately 1 month we're gonna have a golden cross, which would be a bullish point. But again, keep in mind that's a lagging indicator, so technically pump should already start to happen, which is already, it's starting to happen. So yeah, there's that. On the weekly time frame, MACD looking green, pretty bullish, pretty nice. No curves to the downside, which is again pretty nice. RSI on a weekly kind of oversold, not that big. On the monthly time frame, RSI is also oversold, not a lot. MACD is finally having some curves from a current red zone, because again we currently in a bearish red zone of MACD, in a red zone, which is again currently having some small curves on a current month, which is pretty nice. Again, if the next month we're gonna have a close, it would be, what was the November, if next month we're gonna have a close above 23.6k, again that would be extremely bullish reversal on MACD monthly time frame. Again, monthly time frame is pretty big time frame, slow one, so this is important. So again, we got tons of the bullish indicators, and the most important indicator, which again was talking about in a previous episode. At that time I said it was approximately 2 months left, and currently we got less than 2 weeks left to the 1 year since all-time high mark, which is a pretty important mark, because if you're gonna look at the previous cycle, 1 year since the all-time high mark was the bottom of the crypto winter. Again, we never went to this bottom even during the COVID crash, and since that time we had a pretty bullish upside. In the previous cycle it was approximately 400% from the bottom to the top. Again, pretty big one. We're definitely gonna, if it's gonna be the same again scenario, we're gonna have like probably 50% of that, because market cap is bigger, you need more resources to move such a big market cap, keep that in mind. So so there's that. So again, less than 2 weeks left till this mark, and we'll see what's gonna happen there. So yeah, it's that's a current things for the Bitcoin. For the Ethereum, we had the, what was that? I forgot. We had the not halving, proof of stake merge. Again, it happened. We had a sell-off. The bottom was somewhere at $1,200 on Ethereum, and currently pumping. Again, currently Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin on the current pump. Ethereum and Bitcoin dominance. Obviously, Ethereum is kind of pumping there. So yeah, It seems like a lot of volume going to the Ethereum, a lot of money, I mean, going to the Ethereum rather than to the Bitcoin, which is again, which is okay, but still, I would love to see more uh, pumps in a Bitcoin. So yeah, I guess. So that was the whole thing. Yeah, I forgot about the news, but I guess today we're not gonna have news. Today is gonna be just like TA type of stuff. So yeah, hoping for a nice pump and breakout of the. Oh, forgot the support, the channels. The current resistance, again, pretty big one, is 30k. Again, pretty far away from a current point. Currently 20.6k. Still far away. Would be approximately 9.5k dollars you need to have a pump, so far away. But the local resistance for us would be 24.4k, which is again not that far away. If we're gonna have a breakout out of that, which would be pretty nice. And also we're gonna have a much faster golden cross. Yeah, it's gonna be much faster golden cross on a daily time frame, which is pretty important. And support, obviously the most major support that is working for us is 19k area. I hope it's gonna stay that way and it's never gonna be broken. And I hope 30k resistance would be broken. So yeah, to the moon, to the moon, to the moon.